The most premium flagship phone coming from Xiaomi in 2022, referred as Xiaomi 12 Ultra. This device is successor to the most popular Xiaomi 11 Ultra last year, which is packing a highest spec sheet available at that time. Now this new Xiaomi 12 Ultra is in the rumor mills for the last few weeks, which confirms the design, camera, processor, and even some internal for the device. Even though the rest of the Xiaomi 12 lineup is already unveiled in China and now their global launch is near. But for Xiaomi 12 Ultra, it is expected to be unveiled in third quarter of 2022. According to the leaked render images, a new design is expected. As you can see these render images, we have a huge circular camera module with penta camera setup. Although we don't know exact camera sensor that are going to be coming in, but based on leaks and rumor, a new sensor will be from Sony IMX8 series. While this new camera sensor will include a primary, ultra-wide, periscopic with 5x of zoom and a telephoto sensor inside. Interestingly, we don't see a small screen on the back just like the 11 Ultra. Aside from design and camera, there are certain leaks for the internals. Well, the latest leaks coming from Digital Chat Station, which give us a detail that it's going to be coming with a massive 5000 mAh of battery with 120 watt of super fast charger and a huge 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of internal storage option. With that being said, it's also being powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 Plus processor, and that could be manufactured by TMC 4nm process. The new processor will have a better thermals, better power efficiency, as well as the better overall performance. Well, as far as the screen is concerned, it's looking pretty much similar to the Xiaomi 11 Ultra. We could expect that it might be coming with the LTPO 2.0 technology, but for that we have to wait and see for more leaks. The company is expected to globally release the 12 and 12 Pro later this month, where Xiaomi could hopefully reveal more details regarding the premium Xiaomi 12 Ultra. But the chances are pretty narrow. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Do consider subscribing to stay updated with the latest news in the smartphone industry. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.